This question is from engineering mathematics for 2 marks. The set of equations x plus y plus z is equal to 1, ax minus ay plus 3z is equal to 5, 5x minus 3y plus az is equal to 6 has infinite solutions if a is equal to. For this multiple choice question, the correct answer is option C. Let's proceed to the solution. Whenever such set of equations are given, the first step is to write down the augmented matrix. The augmented matrix is formed by writing down the coefficients of x, y, z and the right hand side vector. That is, it includes the column and the entries will be 1, 5 and 6 for this particular question. Therefore, the augmented matrix for these given set of equations is AB is equal to 1, 1, 1, 1, A minus A, 3, 5, 5 minus 3, A and 6. Once the augmented matrix is obtained, let us perform a couple of elementary row operations in the first step. That is, we will be performing in the second row. That is, we will divide the entire second row with respect to A, and the second elementary operation will be on third row, where we will be subtracting 5 times of first row from the third row. So when we perform these two elementary row operations on the above augmented matrix, we get the following matrix, that is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 3 by A, 5 by A, 0 minus 8, A minus 5 and 1. Now the next elementary row operation we will be performing is on second row, that is we will be subtracting second row and first row. So when we do that, the augmented matrix changes into this way. Now the last elementary row operation we will be performing on this matrix will be on third row, where we will be subtracting 4 times of second row of this matrix from third row. So when we do that, the augmented matrix changes to this. Now from this matrix, whenever the given set of equations will have infinite solutions, if and only if A minus 12 by A minus 1 is equal to 0 and 5 minus 20 by A also should be equal to 0. So when you simplify the first condition, we get the two possibilities of A as A is equal to minus 3, 4, and when you simplify the second condition, we get A is equal to 4. In these two equations or in these two solutions for A, we have only one value as common for A, which is A is equal to 4. Therefore, whenever A is equal to 4 in the given set of equations, those equations will have infinitely many solutions. Therefore, A is equal to 4.